Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Zinnia and welcome back to another brand new video. So today's video is going to be a skincare video. I'm going to share my morning skincare routine with you guys. Let me tell you first my skin type. I am a oily combination skin. Most of the time my T-zone is like very oily and the other parts of my face are combination. I would say like in winter I feel a little bit of dry on the sides and mostly on the summer I feel so oily, so it's like a sort of combination skin. My skin type was really good before, but I mean my skin texture and everything was really good before, but I had a lot of transitions through like pregnancy and other stuff. So right now I think my skin condition is working well rather than before. I tried so many things from last couple of years because I was dealing with fungal acne. I will try to include a picture somewhere here or here. It was like a severe breakouts right after my pregnancy. So if you guys want to see that sort of like skincare texture videos or how I figured out the products and stuffs, please give me on the comments below and I will try to share with you guys. So I think for right now I found out a routine or sort of products which really works for me. This took like very long time. Generally, like I tried, I would say every single product. I tried watching so many videos from YouTube. I tried learning so many articles, and finally I feel like right now I have sort of like a morning and nighttime skincare routines which are working for me, though it's like very slow and I have to be so much patient, and I'm not like very serious yet for the skincare. I'm trying to, so it's just sort of my thing and I hope you guys will like it, and these products will work for your fungal acne type skin too. So let's get started. So at the first I will be using this La Roche-Posay. It's their purifying foaming cleanser. I really love this product. So I'm just gonna take a pump. A pump of this is like a lot of products. So I'm just gonna wash my face real quick. It's like a very foaming sort of texture. And I really like it. It feels really good when you're massaging on your skin. Yeah, then I'm gonna dry it a little bit with some napkins. Okay, so right after I wash my face, I try to tone. As I have an oily combination skin, so I try to use like a oil balancing toner. So I tried so many toner from Pixie and other shops, but nothing worked for me. And this is the toner I am using for such a long time. This is the Body Shop Seaweed Oil Balancing Toner. So I'm just gonna use this with a cotton round. I take pretty generous amount when I use the toner, because it just gives me a sort of like a cooling sensation right after I wash my face. So yeah. So I am trying to do it a little bit on my neck as well. Okay, so right after I'm done with my toning, I give it a couple of seconds. I would say 30 seconds to just absorb into my skin, and then I will go to the rest of the skincare. Okay, by the time it soaks, I'm just gonna use my serum. This is a Vita B3 source from Tiam, and yeah, this is their niacinamide and alpha-arbutin serum. It says like it evens out your skin tone and it brightens dull skin and dark spots, which I have all the time. I would say before pregnancy it was like not that type, but now it's like I get so many pimples very often. It's not like very like thick or big pimples, it's like a very small sort of commodant type of stuff. So I think this works for me. So I'm just gonna take 3 drops of this. Yeah. Okay, so then I'm just gonna tap it onto my face. Most of the people doesn't use serum on their like eyeside, but I try to, like after I pat the product on my skin, I try to do the rest on my eyes because I feel like that gives me a little bit of boost on the eyes. So yeah, I try to do that. If you guys want to see a separate review on this product, just let me know on the comment section down below. I can do a separate like review on this product. This is a very good product, trust me. And it's like fungal acne safe, so it is completely safe for your skin. If you have fungal acne, if you don't have fungal acne, you can still use the product because it does work so well. So then for my serum is already absorbed, it just takes 30 seconds or so. I use this CosRx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is one of my most favorite products too. It's like a snail essence. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna take 3 pumps of this and just rub it onto my hand, and I'm just gonna show you guys. It has like an, see? It does has like a slimy texture on it. And this is the thing that works for your skin. It gives collagen to your skin, it makes it elastic and better. So yeah, I use this right after my serum. I try to massage it very well onto the skin because it takes a little bit of time to absorb on your skin. Sorry, I'm just keep looking at the like screen side of my camera. I'm just very new to this, but I'm trying to get used to it, so forgive me for this thing, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna pat until I feels like it absorbed onto my skin. Okay, and after the serum I will just use my eye cream. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This has vitamin C and collagen in it. So yeah, this is the Ole Henriksen. I really love this. This is a vitamin C brightening eye cream, and I do have insomnia, so I couldn't sleep that well all the time, so I do have a lot of dark circles now. So I try to use this, and this is not something I can stay with, so I need this cream all the time. I'm in love with this. So I'm taking a little more than usual people use for their eye cream. I do love using a little more because I feel like it's like a personal choice. I would say maximum people will say you like use a little bit of eye cream, you don't need that much, but I feel like it's sort of like your sense how you feel about your skin, because I feel like my eye area is mostly so dry, so I try to take a little bit of eye cream and I give time to like absorb the things. So yeah, after I'm done with my eye cream, I will just jump right into my moisturizer. Right now I am using the Hada Labo Chirurgen Premium. This is a moisturizer of there, and this is the Chirurgen Premium. So I did use their regular Chirurgen before, so if you guys want to see a review on those two, I mean this premium version and the regular Chirurgen, just let me know in the comment section down below. I will try to make a video. So this is the moisturizer I use, and I just love it. Look at the texture it has. It's like a very creamy texture. Oh, don't fall. So yeah, I'm just gonna take pretty generous amount of this. Yeah. And then I will be massaging it. This is a very cooling sensation, a moisturizer. Though I would say that at the beginning the smell was a little bit off for me, because it doesn't have like any chemical smell or anything, but it was just a little bit weird to me. But as I'm like using it more, I feel like that's now I'm comfortable with. So yeah, so for this moisturizer you will need a little bit of time to just to give to the moisturizer so that it just soaks in on your skin, because it takes a little bit of time, as it is like a not a very thick formula, not a very light formula, it's just sort of in between. But I feel like you have to give it some time to absorb onto your skin. Okay, so I think this got absorbed. And last but not the least, I am gonna use my sunscreen. This was another battle. I found the sunscreen after so long. I tried so many drugstore high-end brands, but nothing was working for me. Some sunscreen used to give me like a white cast, and some were like very oily, and some was like, I have a photosensitive skin, like if I go to the sun I will just get darker immediately and I will have sun like rash or stuffs like that. So I was looking for something which is very lightweight, at the same time doesn't give me white cast, and also is good for my fungal acne type skin. So after a lot of research and everything, I found out this product. This is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid with a broad spectrum SPF 50. It has antioxidants and soothing plant extracts. This is a very good. This is the Paula's Choice. This is a very good quality one. So generally people take 3-finger rule. I just try to eyeball it. I am gonna take maybe a big squeeze. I'm just gonna take this much. I am gonna rub it on my hand really well like this, and then I will just pat it all over my face. Yeah, this absorbs pretty fast. As you guys can see, it gives you a good quality of shine, and at the same time it's gonna protect your skin, so it's a very good one. And yeah, I think I'm done with my face. This is just the one lip care. I use this Carenel Sleeping Lip Care Pomegranate Lips Night Mask. This is a Korean skincare as well. I really love this. So this has like a sort of like a pinkish undertone in it, and it's very pretty. So I'm just gonna use this right now on my lips. It is very moisturizing. Yeah, with that I am done with my skincare. I will try to answer all of your questions about the fungal acne thing and a little bit of my journey. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on that, please comment me down below. I will try to make a whole video just on fungal acne and how I figured out the products it's safe for fungal acne. Also, I will try to link all the products I have used today on the bottom description, so you can just buy it from there. If you need any further information, just feel free to comment me. And this is it for today. I'm good for the day. I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. That's it for today. If you guys like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and inspire me more. Give me a like if you do so, because your like really inspires me. I know by your likes, like you guys are liking my video, and that way it will help me like doing more and more videos. I will try to come up with so many beauty videos and makeup videos. And take care. See you soon. Bye bye.